So I'll often get asked, does freezing temperatures have an impact on our foundation? The answer is yes. The reason freezing temperatures impact our foundation is because the soil and the moisture in the soil around our home is freezing and putting a lot of pressure on our foundations. If you think about it like a pop can, when you put that pop can in the freezer and it freezes over time, it's going to expand, and if you go and look at that pop can a couple hours later, you're going to see that the ends are pushed off that pop can, and if you forget about it overnight, you might actually see that the pop can explodes in your freezer. That same type of thing is happening with the soil right next to your foundation. The moisture in the soil freezes, expands, puts pressure against your foundation wall, and can cause the foundation wall to begin to lean or bow in. You know that that's happening once you start to see foundation cracks occur in the wall, once you start to see the wall tilt in, bow in, potentially you'll see drywall cracks. Those types of things are all symptoms or signs that your foundation wall is beginning to bow in. So, what can we do to prevent these problems? Well, to prevent them, you want to really just get the water away from the home as fast as you can. Best way to do that, make sure your gutters are working and free of debris. Make sure your downspouts are clear and extended as far away from the home as possible, and make sure you got the soil next to your home sloping away from your home. Get that water away from the home before the winter season comes. That's how you prevent it. So once you start to see those foundation problems, what do you do then? Well, that's when you should call the experts in. That's where you'd want to call Thrasher, have us come out, take a look at it, and we'll be able to offer you advice on the best way to fix your home and the exact price it'll take to fix that.